What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really do appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about passive income, and I'm going to be showing you guys my 6 recommended ways to create passive income in 2019. But before I dive into it, I just want to say to you guys that I missed you guys so much because I haven't uploaded in about 7 or 8 days. And that's because I took some time off just to rejuvenate and to enjoy myself with my family. But now I'm back on the grind and have some killer content for you guys coming up in the next couple of weeks. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then make sure you get subscribed just so you don't miss any of those future videos. Alright, so with that said, let me dive into it and talk to you guys about creating passive income in 2019. And as you guys know by now, I love passive income because if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die, as Warren Buffett once said. So let me dive right into it and talk to you guys about my 6 recommended ways to create passive income in 2019. Guys, before I dive into it, let me just start by saying that this is not going to be a course teaching you exactly how to use each of these methods to actually generate passive income. So this is just to give you the ideas just in case you didn't have any ideas before. But what I'm going to be doing for you guys is I'm going to be leaving links in this video description that's going to take you to different resources that you can use to actually set up each of these ideas, each of these businesses that I'm going to be talking about. Alright, so let me just dive into it. So I'm going to be going through 6 different ways to make passive income online in 2019, and the first on this list is, of course, to do eBay dropshipping. So this is how I make most of my money on the internet, and I have to recommend it as the #1 way to actually start making passive income online in 2019. So not much has changed where eBay dropshipping is concerned over the past couple of years. So the information that I've been giving you for 2018 and that I've given you for parts of 2017 is still very much relevant, and I have a lot of videos on eBay dropshipping. So what I'm going to be doing for you guys is I'm going to be leaving a link in the description to take you to another video where you can get more detailed information about eBay dropshipping. But in a nutshell, eBay dropshipping is basically where you set up an eBay store, which is basically free, and you can list products from different retailers, for example Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, and you make sales on your eBay store. When you make a sale on your eBay store, then you'd go to your retailer, purchase that product and ship it directly to your customer. And of course, you're gonna sell it at a higher price, so you make a margin on that sale. And that is essentially how eBay dropshipping works. Of course, there are lots of different intricacies to eBay dropshipping, and that is why I'm going to be leaving resources in the video description if you want to learn more about eBay dropshipping. The second passive income idea that I want to share with you is to start writing on Medium, or to become a content creator on Medium. The reason why I say become a content creator on Medium is because you don't necessarily have to be a writer to create content on Medium. You can definitely 100% outsource all of your writing on Medium, but Medium is a great place for writers. So if you love to write, or maybe you see an opportunity where you can contribute on Medium with great written content, regardless of if you're writing it or if you're outsourcing it, you can actually make money doing that. So you could make money from their partner program. So yes, Medium does have a partner program which is quite similar to the YouTube partner program. So you get paid at the end of the month based on how good your article does on that platform. So Medium is great, and you have people on Medium making $8,000, $10,000 per month contributing to Medium. I have a video on that as well that I'm going to be leaving linked in the video description. Alright, so the third method that I have to discuss is one of my favorite ways to make money on the internet, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is great. So affiliate marketing is basically where you promote other people's products or other companies' products and you get a commission. So one of the easiest ways to explain affiliate marketing is to use Amazon, because Amazon has the world's largest affiliate marketing program. So you can actually promote different products from Amazon. You could send these links to your family, to your friends, to your audience. And whenever someone uses your unique link to make a purchase from Amazon, for example, you will get a commission. And this commission can range from anywhere between 4% to 10%. So let's say, for example, you know someone who wanted to buy a refrigerator. You could actually get a link from Amazon for that refrigerator, send it to that person. Once that person actually purchased that refrigerator for $1,000 from Amazon, you get approximately 8 or 10%. And that right there is $100 commission that you would get as an Amazon affiliate. So that is essentially how affiliate marketing works. And once again, I have a video explaining in more detail how you can get started with affiliate marketing. Of course, in order for you to make good money with affiliate marketing, which is what I want for you, you'll have to build up a presence on some platform. So you could either choose to build an email list, you could do YouTube videos, you could build an audience on Instagram, you could do this on Facebook. You can actually choose which platform and the type of content that you want to create, and from that you can actually incorporate your affiliate marketing and make money as an affiliate marketer. All right, so that is idea number 3 to make passive income in 2019, which is one of my favorite ways to make passive income. The 4th idea that I have for you as it relates to creating passive income online in 2019 is to do YouTube, to start a YouTube channel. So I know that a lot of people don't want to get on camera, a lot of people want to be behind the scenes, but if you really want to make real good money and you want to build a business and build a brand, I highly suggest that you get rid of that fear and start creating content. If you create content on YouTube and you create good quality content and you build an audience around that content, you can actually make a full-time income as a content creator on YouTube. So I'm sure you guys have seen in the news where you have this 7-year-old kid who made $22 million last year from ad revenue on YouTube. So as you can see, it's quite possible to make a lot of money from advertising on YouTube. Of course, he has 17 million subscribers and he has been doing it for a while, but you don't need that many subscribers to actually make a decent income on YouTube. And once again, I have a video showing you guys how you can actually grow a YouTube channel in a very short space of time and have a very tight-knit group that you can monetize. All right, so that is idea number 4 to make passive income in 2019. The 5th idea that I have to share with you guys is to actually create and sell a course. So course sales have skyrocketed in 2018 and this will continue to grow in 2019 as more people see the value in actually learning new skills. And one of the easiest ways to actually learn a new skill is to learn from an expert in that field. And there are a ton of different experts in a lot of different fields online offering different courses. So you too can actually offer your expertise in the form of a course online. And you could create this course on different platforms such as Udemy. You could create a course on Teachable. There are so many different platforms for you to actually create your course and start promoting that to make passive income. And the great thing about courses is that it's pretty easy to create a course and most people actually have a unique idea or a unique talent that they can actually capitalize on and create a course and start selling that to make passive income. So use what you have, use your idea, use your skills, use your talents to actually create a course, start promoting, and from that, once you create your course and you have it fully set up, you don't necessarily have to do anything else after that besides promoting, and from that you can make passive income for a very long time in the future from that single course. So that is my 5th recommended way to actually make passive income in 2019. The 6th and final way that I want to talk to you about is to actually create a personal brand. I've spoken about this in some of my videos before. So you guys need to start building your own personal brand and become your own influencers. As an influencer who has a very large following and who has built up a personal brand for themselves, there are so many different ways that you can monetize that. You can monetize your audience through affiliate marketing. As you can see, it all ties back together. You could build your own dropshipping store and start selling your own merchandise. You could do sponsorships. You could get paid to do sponsored posts. You could get speaking engagements if that's what you're into. But if you want to keep it 100% online, There are so many different ways to monetize a personal brand, and some of those main ways are affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and online coaching. So it's a great way to actually make passive income, and I highly recommend that you start building your personal brand. You could do this by creating a podcast, you could start a YouTube channel, you could start your own Instagram following. There are so many different opportunities available for you to start building a personal brand. It has never been easier to actually build your own media company and start monetizing that. Okay guys, so there you have it. I really do hope you found some value in this video. If you did, let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you have any questions about making passive income online, then make sure you leave them in the comments. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because just like this video, I have some great quality content coming out to teach you guys exactly how you can start your own internet-based business and start living the life of your dreams. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.